I'm Suresh, senior prosthetist and orthotist working for Endolite India Limited, Hyderabad. So basically Endolite is a UK based company and we are into artificial limbs, high technology artificial limbs and orthosis, totally rehabilitation support products. So we have systems like artificial body parts for all levels of amputations. Basically these components are imported from Blatchford, is a company from UK, and these components are modular, and each and every component is selected according to the patient's activity level, weight and age group. So especially in case of above knee amputees, we have a range of knee joints where the knee can bend up to 160 degrees of flexion, and the patient can able to walk independently like a normal man. And we have various types of knee joints which are pneumatic controlled, hydraulic controlled, and microprocessor computerized control. And also we got several foot pieces where the patient can get natural dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, inversion and eversion, a lot of anatomical movements which are really, they could able to use those movements and work in different terrains. And especially in the upper extremity prosthetics, we have various dynamic prosthetic hands. So the latest version of the hand is upgraded myoelectric hand called B Bionic prosthesis. So in this there are 14 multiple grips are available inside the hand. So it has also got the enhanced grip patterns where the patient can hold the different objects with the enhanced grip. And even we also have a cosmetic restoration where the amputated part can be cosmetically restored. So we can make up to 90 to 95% of color matching, and shape can be, so it depends on the donor's profile. So for example, we have the finger prosthesis. We have got the finger prosthesis of different colors. We can exactly we can match the patient's color as well as the shape. And also we have got problems associated with osteoarthritis, where the patients will have more severe pain while walking. We also have the braces for the osteoarthritis. So these are all the offloading braces. These are the offloading braces where it will shift the weight from the degenerated area to the healthier area, so that the patient will have, after wearing this brace, the patients can have the instant pain relief and they will have a comfortable life ahead. And we also have different feet, E-series feet, which are made out of carbon fiber. And see, these foots are mimics like a natural feet of the body. So during the heel strike, this heel spring compresses and stores the energy, and it will be carry forwarded, it will be released. The patient can have a very natural gait pattern. Gait means walking, the gait pattern will be there. So no one can recognize is the amputee or anything. And we also have the diabetic foot care products. This is something called diabetic and orthotic gel socks. It has, the specialty is it's a very free size and it's washable, and 3 mm silicone gel will be lined under the sole, which gives utmost protection to the diabetic feet from external rupture or shear forces. So they can wear any type of footwear. So they can save the limb from the amputations. So it is washable and available in different sizes. The patient can have utmost comfort and protection of the feet. So the main benefit is the seamless construction, which the socks itself avoid any pressure, additional pressure on the feet.